Hello, and thank you for visiting the Westowne Mazda YouTube channel. My name is Rob Filiano, and today we will be reviewing our all-new service appointment tool. By visiting westowne.com and navigating to the top right-hand corner of our webpage, you will see Service Appointment. By selecting this icon, our service booking page will load. You can select Schedule an appointment, your account, or check on a repair. Today, we'll be using the Schedule Appointment tab. Here we can log in with our email address. Today we will use our new email address for asking questions, which is servicequestions@westowne.com. Alternatively, we can also log in here with our username and password. By clicking Proceed, it'll bring us to our vehicle. Today, we will book an appointment for our 2029 red Mazda. Here we can add in our mileage. We'll put 8,000 kilometers and proceed to the next screen. Here, it'll suggest an 8,000 kilometer service. We can add this to our requested services for today. And on the following page, we can select the different operations that we would like. For example, we can select winter tire installation and balancing. If we'd like to see more details, we can select See More Details, and we can read a description of what will be done and add this to our service. We can scroll down and select other items such as a detailing, recall request, wiper blades, cabin air filter, and so on. Alternatively, we can also write our own description in. If we'd like an issue to be diagnosed, we can select I feel a hesitation, the vehicle is drifting or pulling to the left, and add any other items. Noise from left side. And add this to my request. Next, I will proceed to selecting the date and time for my appointment. For this particular case, we will select Wednesday the 30th. Now I am able to see Wednesday the 30th. I can book appointment for waiting for my vehicle to be completed. I have my own transportation. I require a shuttle service, or I will drop my vehicle off the night before, along with a valet service. Today, I will need a shuttle service, and I will arrange it for 1:45 p.m. We can note that the shuttle service runs within a 5-kilometer radius of our dealership. My appointment time has been selected. I would like to proceed. I can review what is being done on the vehicle, along with my name, phone number, email address that I can make corrections to if I would like to update my personal information. I can select how I would like to be contacted. I'll select by email, and I will verify that I have reviewed all this information and that it's correct. Now I can add my appointment. From this screen, I am now able to add this to my personal calendar through Google, Yahoo, or Outlook mail channels. Our service team will then review your service appointment, and you will receive a confirmation email. Thank you, and we look forward to servicing you.